We have the sounds here for each word. Now we are going to blend them together to make a correct word. Number 1, we have boat, boat, boat. 2, we have road, road, road. 3, we have soap, soap, soap. Okay, now here we have the sounds boat, boat. Okay, we have the sound and the words. We are going to segment them. Road, road. We segmented like road, road. Okay, then we have soap, soap, soap. As can you see here, we are grade 2. O and A are the same sound. Okay, we read it and write it like one sound. So O and O. Look here, we write them together as one sound. Okay, now we are going to read these sentences. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me. My coat is pink. My coat is pink. My coat is pink. My coat is pink. Number 2. I wash with soap. I wash with soap. I wash with soap. I wash with soap. And in your Jolly Phonics booklet, you are going to find in page 3 our sound, which is O. Here you have different words. What you are going to do, we are going to read the word, then draw a circle around the O sound, and do the same with all these words. Then write the O here. Now I will show you the capital letters of 4 sounds. The first one we have S for S, S for S. This is capital and this is small. Then we have A for A, A for A. This is capital A and this is a small A. Okay, capital T, small T, capital E and small E. Okay, so T for T, I for E. And here we have our new tricky word. In last lesson, in lesson 1 and 2, we have learned the word give. Give the last time. الحصة الماضية في درس الجولي فونكس كانت الكلمة tricky word is give. Give. And in this lesson we have the word only. 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 Okay, grade 2, we read it as one word. We read it directly without reading sound by sound. We read it directly as one word only. سريع ومباشر بدون ما أقطعها. Okay, only, only. And the meaning of only is like when I say I have only one pencil, or I have only 2 bags, for example, or I have only 3 sisters. So we use only. Only. Okay, let's move to the last page, last slide in your Jolly Phonics booklet, page 4. You are going to find the sounds here, S, at, E, or S, A, T, and I. These are the capital and these are the small. You are going to trace the capital sound, trace them correctly. Okay, then read the sentences here in this task.